If you earn $3,000 a month and still struggle to save money, then this video will change how you see your finances forever. Because the problem is not your income, it's how your money is structured. Let me explain. Most people believe if I earn more money, I'll finally be able to save. But that's not true. Because even people earning $5,000, $7,000 are still living paycheck to paycheck. So what's really going on? Let's break it down. Imagine you earn $3,000 a month. Here's how most people spend it. Rent takes about $1,200. Food takes another $500. Transportation, maybe $300. Subscriptions, entertainment, and random spending, another $400 or more. And just like that, your money is gone. No savings, no investments, nothing left. So every month, you start again from zero. That's the real problem. Not your salary, but your system. Now here's the fix, and it's simple, but very uncomfortable. Step 1, pay yourself first, before you pay rent, before you buy food, before anything else. You take a portion of your income and save it, even if it's just $100, because if you don't save first, you won't save at all. You'll always find something to spend on, always. Step 2, reduce invisible spending. This is where most people lose money without realizing it. Food delivery, subscriptions you don't use, impulse buying. These small expenses feel harmless, but they quietly drain your income. If you cut just these alone, you can free up $300 to $500 every month, and you won't even feel it after a while. Step 3, give every dollar a job. Don't just spend randomly. Tell your money exactly where to go. When your money has direction, it stops disappearing. Now here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Saving $1,000 is not about earning more money. It's about managing what you already have. You don't need a higher salary to start. You need a better system. Start small, stay consistent, and over time, your financial life will completely change. Because wealth is not built in one big move. It's built in small, repeated decisions. So start today, take control of your money, and make your money start working for you. Subscribe to Cash Flow Stories for more real financial strategies.